Today, it's all about the upper body, the connection between the neck, the shoulders, the chest, and the upper back. Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and this is Take 5 Yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga, perfect for beginners and gentle yogis. So come on, let's get started. We begin by bringing our hands together in what's known as a prayer position. So both hands, all fingers touching, palms are touching, and you are resting at your heart center. And just feel what it feels like to be here, relaxed in your shoulders. And I invite you now to press your hands against each other, feeling all the fingers touch, feeling the palms touch, exerting just a little bit of pressure, one hand against the other. And holding on to that pressure, gently moving your hands just a little bit from side to side, pushing and resisting as you go. And this next time I invite you to push and resist all the way over to the opposite side. Coming back, pushing and resisting all the way over to the opposite side. Let's do that again. Pushing and resisting to the opposite side. And once you're here, I invite you to turn your head in the opposite direction, getting a nice long stretch in the neck. Come back to center, head and hands, and push and resist to the other side. And now turning to look in the opposite direction and pushing back to center. From here, I invite you to put a little movement into your hands in an up and down direction. So turning the fingertips down and up, down and up. This is wonderful for your forearms. And be sure to relax your shoulders. You don't want them up here. Try your best to relax them. And from here, taking your elbows close together. And as you do, you see your hands begin to rise. Small movement. Coming back down to the heart. Elbows come apart. Bringing the elbows close together, raising the hands, bringing them down. Let's try that once more. Elbows come together as the hands come up. And bringing the hands back to heart center. And you could just shake them out for a moment. We're going to try putting all of it together. So let's bring the hands to heart center, pushing each hand against the other. Inhale here. As you exhale, push and resist to one side. And when you are here, turning to look in the opposite direction. And coming back to center, push and resist all the way to the other side. And when you are here, turning to look over your shoulder. Coming back to center. Twirl your hands so that your fingers are pointing down and bring them up, bringing the elbows together, hands come up, hands back to heart center. Once more, inhale, and as you exhale, push and resist to one side, turn your head to look in the opposite direction, push and resist in the opposite direction, and turn your head. Coming back to center, twirl your fingertips down and up, raising your hands, bringing the elbows together and bringing them down to heart center. And once more, bringing the elbows together, hands back to heart center. And release, and just roll your shoulders. Oh yes, that feels good. We did a lot of work on the shoulders. Rolling them back and coming to stillness. And that's it. 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. Namaste, dear friends.